Chad, it's Nate with GPS and Track. Just wanted to briefly put a face to the name, show you the devices, the platform, and pricing, and help you understand kind of how this operates. I see since you need to track trailers, there's a few routes you can go. I never quite heard back on what type of trailers you have, but this is kind of the go to for most trailers. It's a 5-year battery operated tracker, shows you where the trailers are when they start and stop moving. And so that's how we get the long life, is by having it update when it moves. Has a more aggressive tracking mode if something's stolen, but normal day, it's just going to check in on those starts and stops. And I'll show you kind of what that looks like here. I've got a pin trailer. You can see right here, it says stop movement. That just means the last known update was when the trailer was parked. So when it starts and stops, that's when it's updating. You can look here on the map, see exactly where it's at. We can switch to satellite view and just see exactly where it is. This will show us within a parking spot where it's sitting. If we have a strong satellite signal, which we do, it'll show us the battery percentage left. We can see the exact address. You can navigate there right here on Google Maps. But then there's some alerts features, lets you know if it's stolen, if you want to have a geofence set up around a certain job or where you store them. We have movement alerts, texts you if something's going on. Pretty straightforward. If you need to see anything else specific on that, let me know. Happy to jump into it. But price-wise, we're unique. We don't charge monthly fees or contracts. Just don't go pay monthly for a GPS tracker. 15, 20 bucks a month turns into 700 plus over just a few years. This comes with 3 years of service included, and the bulk price is $229 for the tracker. And then after the 3 years run out, it's a $20 yearly renewal as long as you want to keep using them. Swap batteries down the road if you want. They're all under warranty for that included service. But if you have any other questions, want to see anything specific, please let me know. My direct line is 480-604-5449. Text or call me anytime.
Hey, it's Nate with GPS and Track. I am in the office all day waiting for you to reach out. I got my phones. I'm right next to the phone. Whatever you guys need, just give me a call. My direct is 480-292-9675. We'll just make sure you are taken care of.